Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my personal experience using the Cypher Wallet, which is a user-friendly multi-chain crypto wallet and card platform. I've used it for managing my crypto, bridging across chains, and even spending via their card. So here is what you need to know about it. First of all, you can just click on the link that is given in the description. It is going to redirect you here on the official website of the Cypher Wallet. So over here you will come to know that Cypher Wallet is a non-custodial Web3 wallet that supports 25 plus EVM and Cosmos chains. You can manage and view your entire portfolio on a single screen. You will be able to swap the tokens directly in the app, bridge the assets across the chains, and access the decentralized applications, stake your tokens like Cosmos, and even connect to the Coinbase or use Wallet Connect. It is basically designed to make Web3 simple and seamless. Now, if I talk about what I really like about this platform, personally, I love how I can see all of my EVM and Cosmos holdings in one place. No more jumping between the multiple wallets. The in-wallet bridge is the time saver, letting me move the assets across the chains in minutes. Their support is also very responsive. I've even interacted with the founder about the wallet issues. The in-app browser lets me interact with the dApps smoothly, though it could be a bit more modern visually. So I would like to say that I've tested the Cypher card, both virtual and the physical. It's great for spending the crypto like cash across the world. The fees are also competitive. Users report the lower fees as compared to some other crypto cards. That said, some folks have mentioned issues like slow KYC or trouble using the card on a certain platforms. So you need to keep that in mind too, because it actually depends on your region. So you need to remember that. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.